That's a big ant. What's that again?
Alate.
What's the spelling?
A-L-A-T-E. Kini sila no, rare sila.
Sure ka?
I've never seen an alate nga bulakaw ani. Most of the ants I see are workers and nanitics.
Maybe it's a queen ant.
Queen ants don't have wings.
Sure?
Yes.
So you mean kay naman sila wings maka-fly lugar na?
Yes, but not now. Wala pa siya ni-fly.
I think queen gid na siya, nangita na siya sa iyang mga
A queen only cares for her ants, but not the workers.
Nganong naabot ba ng alate diya?
Alam kay ano na sila mga workers mo. Ano na sila workers.
Maybe nangita siya food sa iyang.
No, only the queen has babies. And they care for the babies. Nakabang na po na sila sa mga workers. More sila ginangpat niya. Fly around sila. Kung na sila makita an insect, ipat yun nila.
So, unsa man lugar ilahang pulos din sa kalibutan, be? What's their use?
I think para ma-fair ang ant war.
Ant war? What's that? Ant war? Naday war sa ant?
Yes. Every single second, an ant is battling another ant.
Sure diha.
Oh, kami. Dayan, inigaman ang katong alate.
Asa na to?
Basta katong alate kay kanang dadon man to nila ang food. Murag gyud sila workers. Pag-feed sila sa queen, feed po sila sa babies, kaon sila gamay.
Nganong siya raman isa sa man iyang mga kauban?
Ito asa lain nga place.
Basi nawan nito siya.
No, dili to one ni.
Nawala ba? Nag-line up siya sa iyong mga kauban tapos.
No, ants can be found everywhere. And kasagara, the only places that you can see large ant groups are in colonies. And ants can wander anywhere. They can tell where their colony is by using their smell.
Why man kanang hapit na mag-rain kay daghan man kay ants sa atong mga house?
I think because I think they migrate because when the rain comes in, the water will wash them away. So they hide in our houses.
So they will know ay nga mag-rain na, hapit na mag-rain.
Yes.
Sensitive di kana sila.
Yes.
Why man gibuhat ka ang ants?
Balance the world of insects. If they were not created, then all insects, like for example wasps, would take over, and then it would cover the entire world slowly by laying eggs. And since there's no competition, they would rule the world and defeat humans.
Mag-away din ang wasp o unsa to? Ants.
Oh, mag-away na sila. Ang ants kay kanang sometimes ang ants kay some species ants can invade nests. Even though the wasps are superior in size, their mandibles help kill them, and their numbers outnumber the wasps. So the queen has to retreat.
Mo ba?
And then the ants grab the babies and use them to eat. They eat them.
So para mabalance ang ecosystem.
Even though the queen is still alive, they take out all of the remaining eggs there in the nest.
Mo nilang foods.
Oh, kauna na nila.
Mga anak naman pod ang mga queen, ang queen.
But since there are lots of eggs, it will take time to replenish. And then when the ants invade again, the progress will be restarted until the cycle starts.
Okay. Where did you learn that?
Sa YouTube.
Mo ba? Sige, bye.
Bye.